Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey guys, if you guys are checking out my channel for the first time, I appreciate it. Hey, I'm building a custom do-it-yourself RV out of a 1998 Dodge Ram Extended High-top van. If you haven't seen any of my videos, go back and watch them, and you can find out exactly how I got to this point. But anyway, if you have been watching my videos, I appreciate it. So, as you can see, I started putting up the insulation on the front bulkhead wall, and I started building the framing in the back bulkhead wall. I'm separating the living area from the back area for a couple different reasons, so I'll get to those later. But yeah, man, progress is starting to happen, starting to come through. So here's the bulkhead wall going up. I made the back sliding pocket door bigger than the front sliding pocket door for a couple different reasons. Obviously, so I have a lot better of a view when I'm looking out. I can lay on the bed and look out those back doors and stuff with the sliding door open. But yeah, it's coming together. I am really happy. I've just got so much stuff to do. I'm moving out of my house. I've got until the end of October, trying to build the van, trying to do a whole bunch of other stuff, trying to work. But yeah, man, it's taking a little bit of time, but it's crunch time now. This here is a 8-inch memory foam mattress that I'm making into my couch/bed. If you watched any of my other videos, you know that my couch slides out into a bed, so I made the bed itself to be 37 inches, which is the size of a twin-size mattress. So I cut off the excess of that so it'll fit exactly on the couch, and then I'll have a backrest, and then when I open it up to a bed, I just put that in the bottom or in the back of it. But as you can see, you know, it's coming together, man. I am happy. Like I said, the front is basically ready for my paneling and all that stuff. The back, I still need to insulate that. Put on my put some plywood on the back side, and then my paneling on the inside. And then I'm going to start working on my countertop, which is going to be across from the bed on basically the passenger side. I'm trying to think, my plan was to have a refrigerator, a sink, and a 2-burner stove on that side. Don't worry, that 2x4 was just leaning against the sliding door. It was for my little mock-up on the other side of where my countertop was going to be. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm going to be building my countertop, on that side there. Just kind of mocking up some ideas and some different things, seeing how much room I have, and then kind of go from there and see what happens. Somebody had mentioned before on a couple of different things about I'm using 2x4s for some of the stuff that I'm building, and I'm like, well, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. I've been getting a lot of my materials from job sites and stuff like that, so free is always good. But yeah, man, it's coming together. I don't know why this is. It seems like the video is shaky, but I apologize for that. But anyway, stay tuned so you can see what's coming up next.